Yo busuafo na no pay makwa bere back in Sports our YouTube King Sports TikTok. We was dey bia mohwem video mo share mo like na enioma ekoyi. Nyame nhira mu nyina. Na busuafo yebuso ewo ekro bia Kumasi Asanto Kotoko asoeye. Na munum se eye Kotoko restructuring ekoso a various appointment enyina ekoso a nkakra enioma gu akwan ma ye bɔ mpae se season start no na chere say bibia toto yie e de ama krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko na appointment ni bebre akoso na one critical appointment and I say one of the most important appointment aka coach a obedi bobuko nanim na busuafo nkomo bebre na akoso say within this week and I say hoping by next week the coach of Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko will start down. Yes, the coach of Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebe touch down Ghana na wabe start ne dwumadie. So local coach, so foreign coach obia enim until say coach edin ebeba bontene. Na supporters faithful bebre kasafa coaching appointment na Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebeye no ebim susu say anka yemfa local coach na ombedi bobu kwananim ebi susu say anka yemfa foreign coach na ono so emedi bobu kwananim nti no between a foreign coach and local coach no de hin na ebeboa anaso hwan na obeboa Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko to his glories. So between foreign and local coach why na ebeboa Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko na Kotoko assign afa ntoma pa edi afra na busuafo me pacho me de mo call back me de mo call akire kakra na ye bedi foreign coaches a Kotoko apa omo abedi boboko nanim from 1971. Yes, from 1971 foreign coaches aba boboko no mu ena omudwumadi ene trophies a omwene de tumi de ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko ana say glories omunya de ma Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ene local coaches omo so ebedi boboko no from 1971 ebedru baby a yedrei na ya hwe omo modern ne ye wo say foreign coaches no omo boa Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ana omo mboa mo na ya hwe local coaches no omo so omo pa omoboa Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko anamomboa nti abusuafo be comparison between from 1971 till present foreign and local coaches omaba bobo kwanem na ahwe amoa omode aboa Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko nti abusuafo yensamra no yenkoso yekọ 1971 to 1973 coach bi a ofre Hungary ono obedi bobo kwanem Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye friend Thomas Curtis 1971 to 1973 ono be coach Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko yekọ 1999 to 2002 Ernest Middendorf from Germany ono be di bobo kwananim na oye one of the successful foreign coaches who win titles and or restore the dominance in Ghana football. Nti Coach Ernest Middendorf from Germany in 1991 to 2002. Yefriwa ne yekọ 2006 to 2007. Yebenya coach bi friend Talat Ozum. Ono so free Turkey. Ono so ebenya short spell ewo Kumasi Asante Kotoko but he failed to meet the expectation of the supporters into wanche na okoye. Yefriwa no yewo coach Maurice Koeman. Ono so free Belgium. Coach Maurice Koeman. Ono so free Belgium so 2008-2009. Ono so ebeje GPL title for a short period but on management in disagreement into coach no so eja hoko enti Maurice Koeman ono so 2008 to 2009. If you call Bogdan Korak mo kai ni pa Bogdan Korak ono so free Serbia 2010 to 2011 ono so ebeboa players development ono ebeboa players development ekro bia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ntuma nwene trophy bia amfa ma ekro bia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ndiwo Bogdan Korak ono so fisa bia 2010-2011 ebusuafo yefura yekọ Zdravko Lugarozic no kan ni din yie pa Zdravko Lugarozic ono so firi Croatia 2017 ana obedi ni dwuma edema ekro bia Kumasi Asante Kotoko no no so just a short period of time. A short period lasted only a brief period and recorded mixed results. Nti we see Zdravko Lugarozic. Yefiri kwa ne yekọ Jetel Zakariasen mo kai din ne pa Zakariasen. Ono so firi Croatia. Ono so ba between 2017 or by 2017 and he lasted for only a brief period and recorded mixed results. Ono so ne die no enti Zdravko Lugarozic enso die no ne yekọ Jetel Zakariasen also from Norway ono so ba 2019 ono so ono be that time no ba na announce expose na ba normalization committee ni de ka ho no enti Zakariasen ebewene normalizing committee no otumi bewene trophy no but later ya pamon no wasa year ni ma enti we Jetel Zakariasen also by 2019 obewene normalization committee no competition no trophy no na obewene ma de ba kro ba Kumasi Asante Kotoko yefuru a nyeko Mariano Barreto mo kai ne pa Mariano Barreto no so for Portugal no so by 2021 onde obenya difficult time e okro bia Kumasi Asante Kotoko anti ono supporters no ani engine ne performance na results no ho nti Mariano Barreto so Kotoko fo mpenufo ewo no konsa ama ono so gya team no kwa ani ye wo Steven Pollack ono so free England Steven Pollack ono so ba between 2017 and 2018 ono so be winning MTN FA Cup and President Cup ono so his tenure at Kumasi Asante Kotoko 2017 and 2018 on winning MTN FA Cup and Presidential Cup at the Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And lastly was Seydou Zebu. Mokai Seydou Zebu pa from Burkina Faso. Also by between 2022 and 2023 won the President Cup and struggled in the league and eventually dismissed. Also by on winning President Cup no at the Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Nti we foreign coach from 1971 ebesi 2022-2023 bobuko no mo we ni performance and as coaches o ma ba krobia Kumasi Asante. But among this top 3 foreign coaches in Kotoko history, top 3 foreign coaches in Kotoko history, yawo Ernest Middendorf, Maurice Koeman and Thomas Curtis. We ni coaches miansa. Among all those foreign coaches top 3 coaches are modern ye ewo ekrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko any Ernest Middendorf, Maurice Koeman and Thomas Curtis. Now Ernest Middendorf them say Kotoko supporters pen na 7 year papa na omutin din a omudo omusa tumisi omboka se papa we de obeboa ekrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ebusuafo yefiri ho a ni eba local coaches local coaches. Yeba start here free 1982 Ibrahim Sunday 1982 no di bobuko nanim ono so wantumi win trophy bia amfa amakro bia Kumasi Asante Kotoko but within a short period of time na obedi bobuko nanim edema akro bia Kumasi. So Ibrahim Sunday in 1982 yefra yako Malik Jabel also 93 to 94 Odinka about 93 to 94 no was about 2005 and 2006. Also to me ages domestic honors by complete trophy records from his spell are not fully documented in public. Nti also obetumi winning domestic trophies be Edema Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko where Malik Jabel 1993 to 94, 2005 to 2006. If one James Kwesi Appiah Kwesi Appiah 1995 to 1996. No major trophy widely recorded during his tenure as head coach. The James Kwesi Appiah, his time at Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Also entumi anje trophy bia amfa ama eye Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ifre aba Karim Abdul Razak. Also ye 2003 to 2004. Also entumi anje trophy bia amfa ama Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Karim Razak 2003 to 2004. Also entumi anje trophy bia amfa ama Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ne ye fura ye ko Herbert Addo eba between 2009 and 2010. Also entumi anje major trophy bia amfa ama Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. During his time at Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko, coach Herbert Addo also entumi anje kruwa bia amfa ama Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ye fura ne ye ko Maxwell Konadu also ba between 2011 and 2012 and osan eba 2019-2020. Oba the first appointment no and also starting 2011 and 2012 and osan ba between 2019 and 2020. Also beji onoji GPL 2011-2012 season no ono tumiji Ghana Premier League adama Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko 2011-2012. Ye fruwa ne ba Masoud Didi Dramani also by between 2012 and 2014. 2012 to 2014, so obedi 2 seasons. Already Ghana Premier League 2012-2013 and 2013-2014. Nti already Ghana Premier League back to back. Masoud Didi Dramani already Premier League back to back 2012-2013 and 2013-2014. Already league osa already FA Cup 2013-2014 already FA Cup and also already Super Cup 2013-2014. Nti wo hwe Masoud Didi Dramani a 2 years no obedi Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko otumi rene 4 trophies. 4 na de ma Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. 2 Premier League trophies, 1 FA Cup and 1 Super Cup. And already de ma Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. David Duncan also by 2014-2016 also winning President Cup 2015 or winning President Cup at the Krobia Kumasi Asante. Michael Osei the late Yankopon fan the currency. Michael Osei also by 2016 also entumi and winning trophy bia and former Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Parkwesi Fabian also by 2018 also entumi and winning trophy bia and former Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now Charles Akono also by 2018-2019 also by winning NC Special Competition no Tier 1 no 2019 and by winning Edema Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now Abdul Ghazali also by 2021 no major trophies. Abdul Ghazali no major trophy for Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And now Prosper Nate Ogun also by 2021-2022 season. And about 2023-2025 season. Also, ultimately winning Ghana Premier League 2021-2022 season. 2021-2022 season. And Prosper Nate Ogun also winning Adama Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now Abdul Karim Zito. Ultimately winning major trophy bia fama Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Nti winning local coaches nso a Omababo modern ye Adama Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Most successful local coaches are Omaba in the history of Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Most successful local coaches are Omaba in the history of Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Masoud Didi Dramani, 2 Premier League titles, 1 FA Cup and 2 Super Cups. Nti weye Masoud Didi Dramani, Maxwell Konadu 1 GPL and Prosper Nate Ogun 1 GPL. Nti from 1971 but when local coaches are so mabedi egbo nanim. And among all these coaches between foreign and local, my best 2 coaches are metumi ayi my best 2 coaches are metumi ayi Ernest Middendorp. Ono one foreign coach a metumi ayi say obebon ho modern yie papa de ama Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And ye ban local one so a Masoud Didi Dramani baso dudu aman no so abebon hu modin yie papa edema probia Kumasi Asante Kotoko nti abusuafo so we Kotoko supporter we Kotoko faithful we ni various coaches are between foreign and local coaches o ma ba probia Kumasi Asante Kotoko for 1971 till present nti so we Kotoko supporter do you think say Kotoko company for na Kotoko manager should appoint a foreign or a local coach? So we Kotoko supporter, should Kotoko management appoint a foreign or a local coach? When in some every club Kumasi Asante Kotoko, but they abram and none of pay. The master de be a motion video, mo share, mo like, and mo subscribe. Pacho, o subscribe ya, no me a bell no so. Me the video be out to a notification, no to me after video, no follow, no like it. For comment, for comment, na ya temidie, by betre wagene. Na enyoma enkoyi enfama krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko because this season and next season and beyond our motto is Kotoko must be great again. Yami hwe mu nyina yedi yami aduma update na se file bia ba edrinya bebrem. Bye bye.